Hello, my name is Akirito. Today I'd like to teach you how to play Pokémon Center theme. I have the tab for this song, so if you want this tab, you can go to my Patreon site. If you become my Patreon, you get access to all the tabs I posted there. Even if you're not my Patreons, that's fine. I'm going to teach you one by one. For this song, I'm going to use just thumb on my right hand. For this left hand, I'm going to tell you how to play it by numbers. For example, F. I'm going to say 2, 0, 1, 0 because second fret, 0 fret, and first fret and 0 fret. Okay, from the top to bottom. Alright, let's get started. I divided this song into 7 parts, and also the healing sound will be added at the end. Okay, so let's get started. Section 1 goes like this. Okay, let's play it. First thing first, F. 2, 0, 1, 0, and play middle 2 strings. And third string, second string, and this one. Put your ring finger on the third fret of the first string. And first string of the first fret. First string, 0 fret, and this one. So 0, 0, 3, 0, and play middle 2 string, and take off your pinky and play middle 2 string again, like this. So that was section 1. I'll play it for you again. Section 2 goes like this. So play middle 2 string, open string, and third, second string, and so slide. Okay, put your ring finger on the third fret of the second string and slide them to 5th fret. And play third string again, and take off and play second string 0 fret. Then, okay, F. You remember F, right? Then play middle 2 string and first string. Then, second string and take off your point finger and play second string, and put your middle finger on the second fret of the third string and play it, and second string. That was section 2. I'm going to play it slowly for you again. Before moving on to third section, you have to play section 1 again, like this. And move on to section 3. Section 3 is basically the same as section 2, but at the end it's a little bit different. It goes like this. Okay. So, open string and play middle 2 string, and third string, second string, and slide 3 to 5, and play third fret again, and second string 0 fret, F, middle 2 string, and first string 0 fret, third string, first fret, and second string 3rd fret. Okay, so I'll play it for you again. Section 4 goes like this. Okay, first F, and put your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string, and play downstroke, and this one, 0, 1, 2, 2, 0, 1, 2, 2, okay? So, bar, bottom 2 string of the first fret, and middle finger should be on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and play down, and maybe ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string, and take it off, play 1st string again, and take off everything and play the bottom string, and play 2nd string 3rd fret. So that's section 4. Okay. Section 5 goes like this. Okay. Open string and play middle 2 string and 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and F, and 1st string 1st fret, 1st string 0th fret, 2nd string 3rd fret, and F and the middle 2 strings. Okay, I'll play it for you again. Then so that was section 5. Section 6 goes like this. Okay, so F, and put your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string, and this one, 0, 2, 1, 1, and 1st string 0th fret, 1st string 1st fret, 1st string 3rd fret, then this one, 0, 5, 6, 5, G shape on the 5th fret. Okay, that was section 6. I'll play again, okay? Okay. Section 7 goes like this. Okay, so this one, F, and add your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. Then 1st fret of the 1st string. 1st string 0th fret. Put your point finger on the 1st fret of the 1st string again. Then F, and 1st fret of the 1st string, 1st string 0th fret, 2nd string 3rd fret, F, and the middle 2 strings. So I play it for you again. Okay. So after this section 7, you play section 1, section 2, section 1, section 3. So then, at the end, you can play this one. The healing sound, yeah? First chord is this one. F, and add your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. 3 times, downstroke, and lift up your ring finger and play the 1st string. Then play this one. Bar the 5th fret and put your pinky on the 8th fret of the 1st string. That's the end. So at the end, I'm going to show you the video with the section numbers on it. Please enjoy. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.